Again, this is Venkat for venkatfin.com. The most important thing when it comes to being a financial planner is helping people understand the importance of pure term insurance. I mostly recommend pure term insurance and also the one that comes with return of premium. Sometimes the one with also has a combination of term insurance and wealth creation. Not me, because some people like that product more than the pure term insurance product. But basically, you should have a cover for at least 50 lakhs or 1 crore. Leave that 1 crore part. If for those who don't have a term insurance yet, who have never considered a term insurance, at least take a term insurance for 50 lakhs is my request. Because when a person is alive, you will be thinking about 3 crores, 5 crores, 10 crores as a term plan ambition for you. But when a person is not there, the family will be happy at least with 50 lakhs. So if you are not able to afford term insurance, at least take for 50 lakhs is my recommendation, number one. So many people assume that, okay, why I charge a consulting fee? For example, whether it's a health insurance or pure term insurance or any other investment plan, I request for a very, very small consulting fee. Why I request for a consulting fee? Very simple. This is a research platform. People don't give me business. 1 in 100 rarely give business. That will be 1 in 100. For example, for a month together, nobody will buy from me or something. So that small consulting fee is because people are getting clarification from me. They want to, someone would have suggested they are going to speak in the online sales team, speak with the online sales team. They are just confirming whether I'm in the right path. So this is the product they recommended me. Do you have any other alternative product? So this is what they discuss with me. So very humble request. I request for a consulting fee. Ask me how much is the consulting fee if you are going to speak to me. But the most important part here, even if someone gives business of term insurance to me, sometimes on request, I will give back that consulting fee to them. But the painful part here is that people think that it is actually a business for me. No, it is also a responsibility I take. Not only me, any other insurance advisor for that matter. A pure term insurance is a responsibility of 50 lakh, 1 crore, 2 crore, 3 crore, 5 crore. So as long as I am alive, my name will be there, my mobile number will be there in your policy document. If something happens, the first 3 years, early claim is a very, very responsible work one has to do. We have to request the family to arrange so and so documents. So remember, it is not simply a plain business for anyone who wants to do it. Responsibility. Someone who thinks that, okay, they care for their clients, it's a responsible business. Second thing, what are the challenges I face and my client face, which I always reveal to my clients during a term insurance purchase process. Number one, the educational qualification is important. +2 is fine, but graduation is a must in most of the cases when it comes to NRIs. If you are in India, +2 is okay. That is educational qualification thing. The second challenge is health. Diabetes and BP will surely result in some kind of higher loading charges. Most of the times, diabetes, BP, or any other small surgery that you have done, you have to convey that, and that they might increase the premium for you. I will suggest the premium in the illustration once, and then the underwriter will increase the premium. Second challenge. So that is the reason I always recommend, as if your health is good, immediately take a term insurance. Okay. The third challenge is the process is not always smooth. I have a kind of experience where the term insurance purchase was completed in 3-4 days. 3-4 days it was completed. Sometimes 3 days also. But right from the time they started speaking to me to the time they actually bought the term plan has always been at least 1 month in my case, because I have a no spam policy. I will never disturb my clients. But even when they pay, sometimes even someone who is healthy, someone who is education, they have qualification is good, income status, at least 3 to 5 lakhs annual income should be there. 5 lakh is the standard. 5 lakh annual income is the standard. So when they have all these good qualities, till sometimes a term insurance process may not always be smooth. Sometimes you will go for a health checkup. Sometimes the underwriter will think, okay, they want to do another health checkup for you. They will ask you to go for the health checkup once again. This is the time, very rarely, 1 in 10 clients has this kind of experience also, which I always reveal to my clients. And clients get very much emotional at this point of time, because imagine a city like Bangalore or Mumbai where you wanted to travel, or Chennai, for that matter, travel and to that clinic or hospitals. Sometimes they will also come to home for blood tests, all those stuff. So they get emotional. Why they are asking for a second blood sample? So it happens. I request them very humbly that sometimes it do happen. It does happen. So don't get into these emotions when it comes to term insurance purchase process. Sometimes it has taken 20-25 days for my clients to actually, from the date they pay to the date they actually got the term insurance policy in their hands. So I always try to be transparent with my clients that it is the responsibility that they are giving to me. I will ensure that I will support them for lifetime as long as I am alive. But the second thing is that the insurance policy may not always be smooth. I have to be honest with you people. Whether you buy online or whatever, it is the same thing might happen. Sometimes it's smooth, sometimes it is not. Sometimes it will be denied. When it is denied, they might charge you for that medical checkup. When it is not denied, they will not say that the medical test that all the stuff they have done, it's covered, it's inbuilt. But when they have denied the policy in the after going for the medical checkup, they might hold the fee they spent for the medical checkup alone and give you the rest of the money in 2-3 weeks time. And why client gets emotional way when they face it, when for some odd reason the policy will be denied. This is truth. I will be satisfied when the policy is denied rather than the claim is being denied. It is always okay when a company is denying the policy, rather than in future they are issuing the policy for with some wrong data and then denying the policy. Unfortunately, I've seen in 2-3 cases some online sales team has fudged the degree of that educational qualification of the client, just because they should get a term insurance policy, which is unethical. So I have to tell you, my policy always is to be ethical and transparent with my clients. And remember, it is not only a business, it's a responsibility you're giving to me. So there cannot always be smooth sail in a term insurance purchase process. Sometimes some hurdles will be there. The time duration also will be, from the time you paid the premium to the time you actually get the policy to be issued. Sometimes it will be maximum 5 days. Sometimes it will be at least a month's time, because of some to and fro communication issues. That certainly happens. When you are going to take through me, it's my responsibility to tell you all these things, and that is why I tell this. Hope you understand the challenges of a person sitting on the other side uh, when you are giving term insurance business to them. So thank you so much for listening. If you wanted to take a term insurance or any other financial planning consulting through me, I'll be happy to guide you. Thank you so much. Just ask how much is the consulting fee. Thank you so much.